Want to fix Delta Force? The current network prevents you from logging into the game. This video will show you the simple tricks to get back online. Let's dive in. First things first, this error means your network setup is being flagged, often due to VPN usage, strict firewall settings, or a temporary IP ban. Now, the most crucial fix is to disable any VPN or proxy services you are using. Game servers often block VPN IP addresses to prevent cheating or regional restrictions. Next, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Your security software might be blocking Delta Force from communicating. Temporarily disable them and try launching the game. If it works, add exceptions for Delta Force and its executables. You'll also want to restart your router and modem. Unplug them for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. This provides a fresh IP address and can clear temporary network glitches. Try flushing your DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flush and press Enter. Finally, if the problem persists, try accessing the game from a different network, e.g. mobile data hotspot. If that works, your home IP might be temporarily flagged. You may need to contact your ISP about dynamic IP changes or contact Delta Force support for clarification. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Delta Force tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.